let me put it this way. The largest population of Indians currently are people in the younger age group. More than 60% of the population is less than 40 years old. So you have a large number of people in the 15 to 30 age group. Amongst that population, I would say about 20+% are using the internet. I would like this to go to 100, but the fact is that at least 20% of them are kind of using the internet. And now with the internet also becoming available on the mobile platform, I do expect that this will change dramatically. With the 3G rollout happening, internet through broadband will be available to much larger number of people. And I would say in the next 10 years, we would definitely cross 50%, if not 70%, at least for this particular age group. So getting the older people is a challenge, not only in this country, even in other places. But the people who matter, the people who are going to be the makers of tomorrow, many of them will have, significant number of them will have access to internet in the next 5 years. I would only talk about two significant things that are happening. One is that more and more content creation is happening in the Indian languages. Okay, that is one way by which rural folks will have access to the internet. Second thing is, once again, thanks to the mobile penetration, thanks to internet becoming increasingly available on the mobile platform, you will find more and more people in the rural India taking to the internet. Last but not the least, people are getting direct benefits, things like Enriga payments, etc., happening through some kind of internet-based platform, banking services being available through the internet-based platform, health and education services available over the internet as a platform. These are the multiplying factors for internet to go to rural India, and that is happening. Dr. Kalam will be here on 30th. See, the conference starts on 28th and 29th. Those 2 days are tutorials and workshops. The actual conference starts from 30th, 31st and 1st. Dr. Kalam will be speaking on 30th. And Dr. Kalam has done a lot for accessibility. We actually have a special event called World Wide Web Accessibility. And it was during Dr. Kalam's presidency, the President of India site actually became accessible to visually challenged and stuff like that. I'm sure Dr. Kalam will have very innovative ideas of taking the web to the interland of the country, taking into the common man of this country, and he also will come up with some innovative schemes, including affordable schemes. I think we should wait to hear him on 30th of March.